Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Tecno mobile guys lock screen password remove setting. How to remove lock screen password in Tecno mobile. So friends, open your phone setting to remove lock screen password. Friends, you don't want to use your lock screen password, you can remove your password from your phone setting. Open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in Tecno mobile. And in your Tecno mobile, open your phone password security setting. Friends, you can add fingerprint, you can add face lock. You don't have face lock, so friends click here. You can add face lock after enter password. Friends, already I have face lock. So friends, click here screen lock setting. Enter your device password to continue. You have pattern. Use your device pattern to continue and use your device pin to continue. So friends, I have password, so I will enter my device password. After enter password, next friends select new password type and you can change your lock screen password. And you don't want to use, so friends click here swipe option, and friends you can see this type interface. So friends, you have face lock and fingerprint. Friends, after remove screen lock, face lock and fingerprint lock will remove automatic in your device. So friends, we will remove all password. Swipe, remove, all password will remove. You cannot use fingerprint lock, you cannot use face lock, you cannot use screen lock. Lock your phone friends. You can unlock your Tecno mobile without any password. So like that friends, we can remove all password in Tecno mobile. And friends, you want to remove swipe lock, open your phone security setting, screen lock, and friends click on none option. And friends, you can check swipe we cannot use swipe lock. You can off your screen and you can unlock your phone direct. Lock and on. And you want to use swipe lock, open your phone security setting, screen lock setting, and click here swipe lock, and when screen will not on automatic, swipe here, you can unlock your device. So like that friends, we can use lock screen password setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.